What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could become a completely new version of yourself? More confident, more disciplined, more fulfilled. Whether you're stuck in a rut or just ready for a reset, this is your blueprint for personal reinvention. And no, it doesn't take years. It starts today. Reinvention starts in the mind. Who do you want to become? The version of you that wakes up early, that starts a business, that finally prioritizes self-care? Write down 3 things that your future self does daily. Because if you can define it, you can create it. Most people stay stuck because they repeat the same habits in the same environment. Change something, anything. Rearrange your space, change your daily routine, take a different route to work. Your brain thrives on novelty. If you could only add one habit that would improve every part of your life, what would it be? Reading 10 pages a day? Waking up at 6 a.m.? Journaling? Tiny changes create massive transformations. Success isn't about working harder. It's about thinking differently. Start telling yourself, I am capable, I am ready. My transformation has already begun. Your thoughts shape your reality. The only difference between those who reinvent themselves and those who stay the same is simple. They take action. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Start today, and in 30 days, you won't recognize yourself. Your transformation starts now. Comment below. What's one habit you're going to commit to for the next 30 days? And if you're serious about reinventing yourself, hit that subscribe button, because this is just the beginning.